everybody, welcome back to my channel. You usually don't hear my voice. This is Pastel_Cupcake speaking. Anyways, the reason why I'm speaking is because today I am playing some Minecraft and I don't know how to get out of F5 mode. Do I just hold it down? No, let's enter. I do that. Anyways, guys, I will be back. When I figure out how to get out of F5. Oh my god, I didn't mean to do that, no. Oh my god, guys, this has gone so wrong already. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I am back, and I got out of the F5 mode. So now we're gonna try to build a house. Now I specifically chose a big field because I didn't want to be
Hey, why don't you just put a bathing suit on with shorts over it? Just give me, I'll pack a pair of panties for you.
Okay, so let's try to build this house. Let's see. Let's do this. I think I'm definitely gonna build my house out of wood. I will be back once I sustain a normal living process and have made tools and stuff. It could be a long process, but don't blame me. So let's just do this. Progress has not been made. Oh, dang it. Let's get this. Okay, so I can't reach those. I can reach this. Where'd it go? Okay, so now let's. Ow! Don't. Oh no, I took damage. Let's make. Let's keep planking this place up, and now we're gonna make one crafting table. Okay, I made a crafting table, so now let's make some sticks. Enough. Okay, so we're not too shabby. Let's go find. Ooh, there's some stone over there. So we're gonna try climbing that mountain over there so I can get its stone. And I'll try to put my house there if I can. Because I don't want to be exposed to all this craziness down here. So the controls are a bit different in Minecraft than Roblox. Okay, so llama just spawned. Oh no, I'm already starting to get hungry.
Let's have breakfast. Come on.
Okay, so let's make one wooden sword, wooden pickaxe. Sure. Wooden pickaxe, a shovel. Yes, definitely, very important. And a these back. And now we have all wooden materials, so let's get some, ooh, coal. We should definitely get some coal. I turned off achievements, so if you guys, let's do this. We definitely will need coal, because we need coal for smelting. And I'm already starting to get hungry. Great. Oh, great. I can't find any animals. Let's get this coal. We need more wood. This. Okay, we have 12. Just get a bit more of this. And that will be enough. That's good. Okay, so let's make a furnace. Yes, furnaces are very important. I hear llamas. So let's get a new pickaxe because that's very important. Okay, so we have all our stuff now, and I'm just gonna kill things with a stick. Oh, I have a sword. I could use it. Piggy! Sorry, pig. I think it knows I'm coming to me. Wow, I can kill things through shutter. Not too bad. Oh, pig. Okay. Is there any more animals that I can feast off of? I have to kill animals for food. I'm sorry. Well, I could eat bread, but I would have to punch grass. Ugh. I thought I heard a skeleton. Come on, every single time I play Minecraft, I always don't make a bed. What is up? Oh no, I can't sprint. What's that? Can you die of hunger? Probably. Dang it. Why is this music so sad? Anyways. Come on, I really need you to smelt. I should have got a blast furnace. Or not this. Okay, let's eat this pork chop. Something to munch on. Oh no, it's starting to get dark and I haven't made a bed. What do? I have no idea. Is there any sheep around? There's a gray sheep! But it would probably be easier if I could find like a white sheep or something. Because they're the most common sheeps. Let's try to scale a mountain to see if there's any sheep. I'm so bad at parkour. Dang it. Oh my god, I have to do parkour. So I will be back with you guys when I find, I guess, sheep. Long story short, I scaled this mountain and I actually couldn't find any sheep. So I gave myself a bed in creative menu. I just couldn't find any sheep. Okay, so Let's try to make it. Oh, I'm still in creative. Dang it. Don't take it. Okay. We're back in survival, so let's get this. Oh, now the animals come in. Wow. Wow. Okay, so place the bed right here. Let's make it out of, let's go get, I forgot to make an axe, dang it. Oh! Trying to get seeds from this, no seeds. How is my hunger bar going down already? Oh my god, there's no seeds. Are you serious? Chidon. Okay, let's get some wood. We'll try to build a house. But the house will probably only be finished by next episode. So, yeah. Let's get this. Okay, let's do that and let's go. I gotta go back up to my mountain scale. Wherever that is. Okay, so where is my mountain? Ugh. Oh my god, no! God. Oh my god. Why does my hunger go down so fast? No, I can't make that jump because my hunger is down. Okay. Just have to go up this way. This way is easier. No! Ah! Everything is going out wrong. I'm just gonna die of hunger. It's not my fault my hunger bar goes. Cows! I gotta eat them. I'm sorry. I'm so hungry. Oh my god. Okay, we ate some raw beef just because I do not have time to go all the way home. I can't find. Okay, now the sheep show up. Wow. Where's home? I'm lost. I don't know. I think I went too far. All I did was go down to get some wood. And now I'm like this. Just gonna die. Dang it. Oh my god. There's my... I was going in the right direction, I think. Or I wasn't. Yeah. Ugh. In future videos, I'm probably gonna build a staircase because I'm way too... Yep. There's my house. I lost all my stuff too. Hi, gray sheep. How about I name you? How about you can be my new pet? You do absolutely nothing.